Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you another new free airdrop earning opportunity, and the project is called Tonso. So their tagline says the super app of Telegram. So what is this project? Basically I'll explain it to you in a simple way. Just like you must know Kaito and Wall Chain, where you have to do posting on X related to big projects, and if your post get views, if your post go viral, then in return you get some points. Similarly, Tonso brings this concept to Telegram, where you can share with your channel or share with your friends to earn rewards. So the best part is you can join this project as a creator, which means you can promote offers in your active Telegram channel, and for engagement you earn points. Also, you can join as a user, where you can participate by completing tasks and sharing with friends, etc. If you check their X profile, you'll notice they already have 10k followers, but it's still very early to join, and they just recently shared this update that they plan to give rewards of $1 million through these upcoming big airdrops. Now I'll show you the step-by-step method to join this project. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join the project, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. As soon as you click on that link, an interface like this will open in front of you. Now to join the airdrop, first click here on the profile section, and then an interface like this will open in front of you. So on the top you will see the wallet connect option. You need to connect your wallet, so click there. Here they ask to connect your wallet. You can directly connect the Ton wallet, or you can add an EVM wallet via address. So here I'll connect my EVM wallet. For that, go to your Metamask and copy the address from there. Then come back and paste the address here. Then click on submit. And the wallet is connected successfully. So as you can see, the wallet is connected. And if you want, you can add more wallets by clicking here. After that, as already mentioned, there are two types of people who can join this. First are users. As you can see below my name, it says user. This means those who do not have a Telegram channel and only have a Twitter account can join this airdrop as a user. Second are those who have their own community, a Telegram channel. Even if they have 200-300 members, they can join this airdrop as a creator. Now I have a Telegram channel. If you do not have one, you can create a channel or group and add 200-300 people if possible. Otherwise, you can also join as a user. Now, for those who have Telegram channels, you have to click on the verify channel option and add this bot to your Telegram channel. So how to add it? First, you have to copy this. Then go to your Telegram channel where you want to add the bot. Click on your channel. Then click on subscribers. Then click on add subscribers. And paste the bot here, which you copied earlier. Then select the bot and then click on add as an admin. After that, it will ask what permissions you want to allow. Here I will disable the top option and also disable the bottom option. After that, leave it like this and simply click on OK. To check if it's verified or not, just go to the app dashboard again and click on my channels. Then here, as you can see, it's verified now. So as you can see, earlier I was a user. As soon as I connected the Telegram channel, now I am shown as a creator, and I have also received buzz earnings. After that, you have the referral option, task option and reward option. If you click and go to the task section, then you'll see lots of tasks which you need to complete one by one. These are very simple tasks, so make sure to complete them all. Now you will get the rewards in the coming days. Now how will you get the reward? First of all, you have to come to the earn section. You will get rewards through these airdrops. You can see this is a solstice airdrop. Through this you will get rewards. As you can see, creators who join this airdrop will get 0.25% of SLX tokens. You can see the claim period is in Q1 2026. Apart from this, there is also a space airdrop running. So click on check details. In this, if you are a creator, then you need to complete these tasks, and if you are a user, then you need to complete these tasks. One more thing you can do to increase your buzz points and total earn points is inviting your friends. You can copy the link by clicking here. Then you can share with friends and social media. And that's all for this video. I tried to explain everything in detail, but if you still have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.